Imagine this. You're out hiking, camping, or maybe facing the unthinkable. A natural disaster hits. What do you reach for? Most people freeze. But the prepared ones, they survive. Today, I'm dropping the 20 must-have survival gadgets on Amazon that are legal, insanely powerful, and trusted by pros. Stay till the end, because number 20 is something you'll want even at home, and I'll reveal hidden features most buyers miss. Let's dive in. Quick question. What's the one survival gadget you grab first if everything went wrong? Comment below and let's compare answers. First up, the Raynic emergency radio, your all-in-one survival command center. With a 12,000 mAh battery, this beast powers your phone, blasts weather alerts, runs a flashlight, and even has a crank and solar charger. Imagine the grid's down, no power, no updates. This little radio could be the one thing keeping you informed and your family safe. Would you trust solar or hand crank power in an emergency? Comment below. I'm curious who's old school and who's high tech. Ever worried about your car, your teen driver, or even your business fleet? The Bouncie GPS Tracker gives you real-time updates, route history, even crash alerts. Plug it into your OBD 2-port and boom, instant eyes on your ride. Whether you're a parent, a traveler, or a business owner, this is peace of mind in your pocket. Parents, would you put this in your kid's car? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments. Next, the FightSense mini stun gun and pepper spray combo. This tiny keychain-sized kit gives you a flashlight, a stun gun, and pepper spray with up to 14 feet of range. It's like carrying a bodyguard that fits in your palm. For women walking at night, college students, or anyone who values personal safety, this is non-negotiable. Would you feel safer carrying this? If yes, hit that like button right now. Asterisk, quick reality check, folks. YouTube tells me something crazy. Over the last 90 days, 95% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. Only 5% hit that button. Imagine if even half of you subscribed, this channel would explode with even more survival gear finds, hidden hacks, and exclusive Amazon deals I can't show anywhere else. Here's the deal. If you enjoy finding life-saving gear before anyone else, hit that subscribe button right now. It's free, it supports the channel, and it tells me you want more survival tools that could literally save your life one day. Let's make this interactive. Comment sub if you've joined the tribe today, and I'll personally give a shout out in my next video to a few of you who do. Let's flip that 95% stat upside down. Ever wish you could carry a toolbox without the bulk? The BIBURY 31-inch -1 multi-tool has pliers, wire cutters, screwdrivers, a saw, scissors, basically everything but the kitchen sink. Toss it in your glove box or camping pack and you're prepared for repairs, survival, or emergencies. Rugged stainless steel, portable, and built to last. Multi-tool fans, what's your most used feature? Pliers, blade, or screwdriver? Share below. Heading overseas? The Venture Forth Refit Neck Wallet is a lifesaver for travelers. Hidden under your shirt, it keeps your passport, cards, and cash safe and blocks electronic pickpockets. Lightweight, water-resistant, and discreet. If you've ever worried about losing your passport abroad, this is your security blanket. Travelers, what's the one thing you always carry on flights? Comment below. This is the Go Time Gear Survival Tent. Weighs less than a pound, but could save 2 lives in a storm. Reflective mylar traps body heat. It's waterproof, windproof, and comes with a whistle and paracord. Imagine pulling this out of your backpack in freezing rain. Instant shelter. It's emergency insurance you'll hope you never need, but be glad you have. Would you rather carry a tent or a tarp for survival? Let's debate in the comments. Looks like a bracelet, works like a survival kit. The NVioAsport 20-in-1 paracord bracelet packs a fire starter, compass, whistle, LED light, thermometer, and 10 feet of cord strong enough to tow 550 pounds. It's fashionable survival. Perfect for hikers, campers, or anyone who loves multi-purpose gear. If you got stranded with only one gadget, would you pick this bracelet? Yes or no? Drop it below. Staying in an Airbnb hotel or dorm? The Addalock portable door lock gives you instant extra security. No tools, no installation, just slide it on and lock out anyone who tries to enter. Stainless steel, pocket size, and designed for travel. It's the kind of thing you don't think you need until you really do. Would you trust hotel locks alone? Or would you add this? Comment, safe or sorry. Gun owners, hunters, or security pros, this one's for you. The OLIGHT Place Mini 2 Valkyrie is a compact tactical light that blasts 600 lumens up to 100 meters. Rechargeable with a magnetic USB, waterproof, and adjustable to almost any rail. In a dark situation, this gives you the edge to see, signal, or protect. Flashlight people, do you prefer rechargeable or replaceable batteries? Let's settle it below. And finally, the She's Birdie safety alarm. Pull the pin and it unleashes a 130 decibel siren with a strobe light, loud enough to scare off threats and draw attention. Designed by women. For women, it's modern, colorful, and even supports women's safety organizations. Whether you're jogging, commuting, or just want peace of mind, this little alarm is pure power in your hand. If you know someone who should carry this, tag them in the comments or share this video. You could make them safer today. First up, the ultimate survival starter, the Blue 72 Pro Deluxe Emergency Kit. Imagine having food, water, first aid, light, warmth, even a stove, all packed in one tactical backpack. This is literally 3 days of survival in a bag. Hurricanes, wildfires, blackouts. This bag buys you time, safety, and peace of mind. And yes, it even comes with playing cards, because mental calm is survival too. Would you trust this kit in an emergency? Or would you build your own? Drop your take in the comments. Now, what if the threat isn't nature, but a 600-pound grizzly? The SABRE Frontiersman bear spray fires up to 30 feet, max strength in seconds. Tested against all bear species. Lightweight, quick draw holster. And here's the kicker, no loud Velcro strap to scare the bear closer. This is protection you hope you never need, but when you do, you'll thank yourself. Would you carry bear spray or take your chances? Let's hear it, yes or no. Every survivalist knows, light equals life. The GearLight S100 LED flashlight pumps out 1,000 plus lumens. Zoomable beam, drop tested, water resistant. It's small enough for your pocket, but bright enough to blind threats or signal rescue. And with multiple modes, this is not just a flashlight, it's your night vision superpower. What's the brightest flashlight you've ever owned? I bet this beats it. For the pros packing subcompact defense, the Streamlight TLR7X is a beast. 500 lumens, ambidextrous paddle switches, waterproof, and safe-off feature to avoid accidents. It clips on fast, no fumbling, no exposed hands. Whether law enforcement or personal defense, this is the edge you want on your sidearm. Handgun owners, would you run light or laser? Comment your setup. Not into firearms? No problem. The SABRE Advanced Pepper Spray packs triple defense, pepper, CS tear gas, and UV dye to mark attackers. That's 35 bursts 4 times longer than average. Compact, belt clip ready, trusted by police worldwide. Legal, powerful, and life-saving. Would you carry pepper spray daily if it looked this compact? Be honest. Here's one you've probably never thought of. The SpyFinder Pro Hidden Camera Detector. Ever worry about being watched in hotels, Airbnbs, or dressing rooms? This device flashes hidden lenses up to 45 feet away. Small, pocket-ready, and terrifyingly effective. In a world of surveillance, privacy is survival. Who's ever felt watched in a hotel? Let's see how many of us in the comments. Survival isn't just about emergencies. Sometimes it's about style and function. This stainless steel gloss black exhaust tip for the INEOS Grenadier protects your ride's exhaust from rust while making it look straight up badass. Quick install, lasting durability. Because when you roll up, your gear shouldn't just work. It should impress. Car lovers, would you go chrome or black finish? Sound off below. Next up, the survivalist secret weapon disguised as a pen. The MecArmy TPX-1, a bolt-action tactical pen writes smooth, doubles as a glass breaker, and even has a stress relief spinner tail. Titanium bronze, CNC precision. It's EDC that's both classy and deadly practical. Write a note or save your life. If you could only EDC one tool, knife, flashlight, or pen, which wins? Drop it below. Now let's flip from tactical to cozy survival. The Westinghouse heated Sherpa throw is fast heating, 6 heat levels, auto shut off, and luxuriously soft. Perfect for blackouts, cold camping nights, or just Netflix survival on the couch. Survival isn't just fighting. It's also staying warm and sane. Would you use this camping or just at home? Be honest. Finally, block the chaos. The status between 3 ANC wireless earbuds feature active noise cancellation, 6 mics, and a triple driver system that pumps rich sound, crisp highs, and deep bass. Sweat-proof, long battery life, fast charging case. Whether you're on a flight, at the gym, or hiding from the noise of life, these let you focus, zone in, and power through. What's your go-to pump-up song for survival mode? Drop it in the chat. So there you have it to 20 survival gadgets you can grab right now on Amazon. From tactical defense and hidden spy detectors to cozy heated blankets and blackout earbuds. These are the tools that separate the prepared from the unprepared. Every product is linked below in the description. Click them, check them out, and start building your survival kit today. And hey, I want to hear from you. Which one of these blew your mind the most? Comment below, smash that like button if you found a new favorite gadget, and subscribe for more weekly survival gear reviews. Because in a world where anything can happen, gear up, stay sharp, and stay ahead. Until next time, keep surviving, keep thriving,